3M Polyurethane Glass Adhesive Sealant 590. Today, we will demonstrate 3M's windshield adhesive sealant application on a window pane. The intent is to show the proper technique used when applying 590 adhesive sealant in order to ensure optimal performance. Surfaces to be sealed or bonded should be clean and dry. Surfaces should be free from grease, mold release, oil, water or condensation, and other contaminants that may affect the adhesion of the sealant. Abrading with 180 to 220 grit abrasive followed by a solvent wipe will improve the bond strength. Ensure to abrade all in one direction with each stroke. Suitable solvents include 3M adhesive remover or methyl ethyl ketone, MEK. Once complete, apply primer to the fritted glass area of the windshield. Use of a primer is recommended for window bonding using 3M OEM Polyurethane Glass Adhesive Sealant 590. In areas with VOC restrictions, it is imperative that bonding surfaces are clean of contaminants. Shake the bottle for 30 seconds after you hear the ball moving inside the bottle. Dip a clean wool dauber into the primer and roll the dauber around the edge of the bottle to squeeze out excess primer. Apply a single continuous layer of primer to the surface. Be sure to move in one direction with each stroke. Do not overlap strokes. Wait 30 minutes to dry. Do not apply 3M 590 on frozen nor wet surfaces. Do not apply over silicone nor in the presence of curing silicone. Loading the applicator gun. Make sure the applicator is set up with the correct plunger attachment for cartridge or sausage pack. Puncture the seal in the center of the nozzle connection on top and remove the pull tab seal at the bottom of the cartridge. Attach the nozzle Load the cartridge into the applicator and fix the retaining ring if applicable. Suggested nozzle size and shape. Use a nozzle with a triangle cut. A notch clipper for pig ears or a blade can be used to make the cut. The desired size of the triangle cut is 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch wide. Dispense 3M 590 onto the primed main body with the nozzle tip perpendicular to the substrate to ensure uniform contact with the substrate. Press the window into the frame until the triangle bead is squeezed to half its original height. The cross-section of the bond should be approximately 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch square after the application. A proper triangle bead ensures a continuous bond along the glass surface. Here is an example of a bead laid without the triangle cut. Observe the bubbles that form as a result of the gaps from ridge to ridge when applying the sealant. By applying this glass on top of the triangle bead, you can observe the effect of a properly laid bead of sealant. Notice the grooves in the right extrusion that did not use the V-notch. The grooves allow air and moisture to pass through. 3M Polyurethane Glass Adhesive Sealant 590.